Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Palmstreet Shop and Sell Live app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Palmstreet is a live commerce app designed to help sellers showcase products through live video streaming, allowing real-time interaction with buyers. The app offers features like live chat, product catalogs, easy payment options, and instant purchase capabilities. It aims to create a dynamic shopping experience where sellers can engage directly with their audience and boost sales through live demonstrations. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users find Palmstreet's live selling format engaging and effective for building customer trust and increasing sales. The app's interface is generally user-friendly, and the live chat feature helps in addressing buyer questions instantly. Sellers appreciate the ability to highlight product details live, which can lead to higher conversion rates. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional issues with stream quality and connectivity, which can affect viewer experience. Additionally, the platform's product categories might feel limited depending on the seller's niche. While the app supports various payment methods, new sellers might face a learning curve in managing live sales and inventory. In summary, the Palmstreet app may be worth using if you want to explore live selling as a way to engage customers and boost sales quickly. However, if you prefer a more traditional e-commerce experience or require broad product category support, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.